Are you ready to elevate your cooking game while saving valuable kitchen space? Countertop ovens are a versatile and efficient solution for busy home chefs looking to whip up delicious meals without the hassle of traditional ovens. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best countertop ovens on the market, highlighting their unique features, performance, and benefits. Whether you're baking, broiling, or toasting, these compact powerhouses will help you achieve mouth-watering results with ease. Join us as we discover the perfect countertop oven for your culinary needs. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Are you in search of a kitchen appliance that combines the efficiency of an air fryer with the versatility of a toaster oven? Look no further than the Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. This innovative appliance elevates your cooking experience, making it easier than ever to prepare a wide variety of meals, from quick after-school snacks to large gatherings. With a generous 26-quart capacity, this countertop oven is perfect for serving 4 to 6 people, accommodating a 6-pound rotisserie chicken or a 12-inch pizza with ease. The stainless steel exterior adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor, while the elegant French doors open with a single pull, offering a convenient way to access your food. You'll love the built-in interior light, which lets you monitor your dishes without letting heat escape. The integrated dual-speed fan ensures your food is cooked to perfection with 360-degree superheated air circulation, giving you that golden-fried crispiness you crave. With 25 cooking presets tailored for everything from ribs to pastries, you can effortlessly switch between functions like baking, roasting, and toasting, all while enjoying the peace of mind that comes with the automatic shut-off feature. Make mealtime easier and more enjoyable with the Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, the ideal solution for busy cooks who love delicious home-cooked meals. At number 4, TOSHIBA Countertop Microwave Oven. Are you looking for a versatile and stylish kitchen appliance that can elevate your cooking experience? The TOSHIBA Countertop Microwave Oven is designed to meet your needs with its thoughtful features and sleek appearance. With dimensions of 18.4 inches deep, 23.3 inches wide, and 15 inches high, it fits seamlessly into your kitchen while offering a spacious 1.2 cubic feet capacity. Ample space for heating a 12-inch pizza or a variety of other dishes. This microwave operates at 1,000 watts, ensuring that your food is cooked evenly and efficiently. The pre-programmed sensor menu takes the guesswork out of cooking, providing optimal heating for popular items like pizza, potatoes, and vegetables. You'll appreciate the practical control panel with a large digital display, making it easy to navigate your cooking options. And don't forget to peel off the protective film from the keypad before your first use. For added convenience, the TOSHIBA microwave features a mute function. If the buzzer is too loud, simply press and hold the 8 button for 3 to 5 seconds to silence it. This microwave is not only a functional kitchen companion, but also an attractive addition to your countertop, constructed of durable stainless steel to withstand daily use. With the TOSHIBA Countertop Microwave Oven, you'll enjoy a blend of style, functionality, and ease in your cooking routine. Number 3, we have the Cuisinart Air Fryer and Convection Toaster Oven. Are you looking for a versatile kitchen appliance that can elevate your cooking experience? The Cuisinart Air Fryer and Convection Toaster Oven is designed to meet your needs with multiple cooking functions, making it one of the best countertop ovens available. With an impressive 1,800 watts of power, this appliance allows you to air fry, toast, convection bake, convection broil, grill, and warm your dishes, all with a wide temperature range from warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll appreciate the generous capacity of 0.6 cubic feet, which is large enough to toast 6 slices of bread, air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings, bake a 12-inch pizza, or roast a 4-pound chicken. The adjustable temperature dial ensures that you can cook your meals to perfection every time. The convenient 60-minute timer with an auto shut-off function adds an extra layer of safety and control to your cooking process, while the toast shade selector helps you achieve your preferred level of browning. The Cuisinart Air Fryer and Convection Toaster Oven comes with an oven light, an oven rack, a baking pan, an air fry basket, and a grill, making it a complete package for all your cooking needs. Plus, the non-stick easy clean interior simplifies the cleanup process, so you can focus on what truly matters, enjoying delicious meals with family and friends. Embrace the convenience and efficiency this countertop oven brings to your kitchen. At number 2, Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven. Are you on the lookout for a versatile kitchen appliance that can elevate your cooking experience? The Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven could be your solution. Designed with digital crisp control technology, it delivers precise temperature, heat source, and airflow control, ensuring optimal cooking performance for a variety of dishes. This countertop oven boasts an impressive 8-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, bagel, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm, all in one sleek 1800-watt appliance. With its air fry function, you can enjoy your favorite meals with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional deep frying, making it easier to indulge while maintaining a healthier lifestyle. Cooking with the Ninja SP101 is not only healthier but also faster. It preheats in just 60 seconds and can prepare full meals in as little as 20 minutes, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Its larger capacity accommodates a 13-inch pizza, up to 9 slices of toast, or 6 chicken breasts, making it perfect for family meals. Reducing clutter in your kitchen is also easy, as this appliance takes up 50% less space when stored upright against your backsplash. With features like a toast darkness selector and easy-to-clean components, the Ninja SP101 is designed to meet your cooking needs effortlessly. Embrace this multifunctional oven and transform the way you cook today. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Are you looking for a countertop oven that elevates your cooking experience? The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. With its innovative Element IQ system, this versatile oven boasts 5 independent quartz elements that intelligently direct power to ensure precise cooking. This means no more cold spots, just consistently excellent results. You'll appreciate the convenience of its 13 cooking functions, allowing you to toast, bake, roast, air fry, and even dehydrate foods all in one appliance. Whether you're making crispy French fries with the air fry option or slowly cooking a delicious stew, this oven does it all. Its super convection technology enhances cooking control, ensuring your meals are cooked evenly and efficiently. The generous interior capacity means you can easily fit up to 9 slices of bread or a 14-pound turkey, making it an ideal companion for family gatherings or dinner parties. Plus, the integrated oven light provides visibility into your culinary creations, automatically illuminating at the end of the cooking cycle or at your command. With an easy-to-read LCD display, you can effortlessly navigate through the smart functions and cooking settings, making your culinary tasks a breeze. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is designed to cater to your cooking needs, helping you craft delicious meals with ease and confidence. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which countertop oven you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.